How to make animation video on InVideo AI. To make an animation video on InVideo AI, start by opening the platform and selecting Script to Video or AI Text to Video.
Paste or write your animated story or concept in the script section.
InVideo AI will analyze the script and generate a storyboard with animated scenes. Choose a video style that matches your tone, cartoon,
infographic, or 3D-like motion graphics.
You can also adjust the pacing and scene length. Add animated characters, objects, and text overlays using the built-in assets library. Drag and drop visual elements to bring your story to life. Choose a voiceover from the AI voice options to match the animation's tone. Fun, serious, dramatic, or educational. You can further enhance the animation by adjusting transitions,
camera movements, and background effects.
Use text animations and motion graphics for extra flair. Preview the full animation before exporting. Make edits to improve timing, expression, or storytelling. InVideo AI gives you full control over creating
animated content without needing complex software. It's perfect for storytelling, explainers, or cartoon-like shorts.
Link to InVideo AI is in the description.